pace instead of selling on the news. So when we do get indeed that Fed increase from the Fed. So we're going to have a lot more to tell you when we come back. Stay with us. Squawk Box will be right back.
Today on Power Lunch.
We'll take your questions about individual stocks, both large and small cap. So give us a call, send us an email. It's Stock Picking Friday.
Power Lunch, today at noon at CNBC. Profit from it.
Trade.com. It's easier than falling in love. What do you feel like buying today, Mr. P?
Kmart.
So research it. All this stuff is provided.
Jujubee.
It's time for E-Trade, the #1 place to invest online.
The opening bell is brought to you by E-Trade, the #1 place to invest online.
Idea in the early going by, what are they? Down a half a point. That's still more than 3 points above fair value, indicating we head higher. Let's go back down to the floor now, New York Stock Exchange. Martha MacCallum, how's the early going?
Well, we are open a little bit lower, down about 4 points, and we're waiting for most stocks to open up down here. AOL has just opened. It is up about a 16th at $106 a share, and that is good news coming on the heels of yesterday's more than 5-point loss on the heels of Merrill comments that they were a little bit concerned about subscription rates and European subscription rates. So AOL... Actually, AOL is now trading unchanged, so we'll watch the direction of AOL for you. Also, IBM looks to be trading to the downside, down about a quarter of a point at 115. And to give you an idea of the financials, also unchanged at this point is Morgan Stanley Dean Witter trading at 88 and up a 16th, trading at 88 and 7/16 now.
We are at 114.25. Back to you, Mark.
Okay, thank you very much, Phil LeBeau. Jim Bob Cramer, how about the bank stocks? How do you feel about those? Those also
These
have been
are
some of your
also,
favorites.
you know, banks and drugs, really pretty much where I made most of my money during this decade. I'm very light in them. I don't own very few banks. Again, you don't own banks when rates are going higher. I can show you a million different empirical data pieces which would show you that that's probably doesn't make sense, that there are a lot of banks that do quite well in this environment. It doesn't matter. The stocks themselves is what I'm focused on, as apart from the company's earnings. Just don't perform well in this environment. I've got a position in Bank of America.
You felt there was a bottom, then you said, no, I was wrong.
I mean, you mean Japan, an area where I've waffled and sounded like everybody else in terms of being wrong or right? Wrong. Yeah.
Now we have the GDP number on the record.
I'm still in MBK, which I have said to you, and I have said now for 2 years, if Japan gets it right, Mitsubishi Bank of Tokyo is Citicorp in 1990. It's going to be your big hit. I'm still there. I'm up on it, making a little money, but I cannot say that I looked at this Japan GDP and say they're back. Much of it was government spending that ignited consumer spending. I don't know how long that can last, but I think Japan's bottomed. I think there's some money to be made. There's certainly a better acting market than our market.
Okay. Let's go over to the Mod Pod squad, see what's going on, what's moving aside from the lava lamp.
Well, the lava lamp is returned to normal, and AOL, I see, is first on your list as well, and it's not doing really too much. It's had a particularly bad run of things, down yesterday, of course.
It's up 1 3/4 right now, which is not getting back all of yesterday's 5-point loss, obviously, but we'll look at there's a 1 year.
Not open yet.
I know about Englewood Cliffs, which is right up the street, but Cleveland Cliffs, let me just give you a...
I didn't know there were cliffs in Cleveland.
36 11/16, not open yet. I don't have an indication, but the company did warn. Let's check out Vanity Fair, or VF. I can't call it VF Corp. It's the old Vanity Fair, and I have a mental block.
VF Corp, maker of jeans.
Yeah, for maybe 15 years.
Yeah, it's been 15 years, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that it's been changed.
I think Vanity Fair is a magazine.
Yeah, but I mean...
One of your favorites, isn't it,
This was,
Jim?
yeah.
Well, you know, it said that I liked my wife. That's about it, but everything else was pretty despicable.
So accurate.
Hey, you brought it up.
If you can't laugh about yourself being described as despicable, what can you laugh about?